So we've got this great garden here producing all kinds of good food for us. And one of the problems, or one of the things you have to deal with in a garden, is pests. So lo and behold, this garden is still producing food for us. This guy's been hanging out here for a couple of weeks. I've seen the damage that he's been doing. Or girl, I don't know which one it is. And now he's been taken care of. So it's early in the morning and I saw that rabbit from the second story window there in the background. Came down here and took the shot. I hope I don't lose viewers over this, because that is part of gardening and living in the country, is the harvest and the taking care of pests in the garden. I raise the garden for food for my family, not for the rabbit to eat from. So there is a myth that exists out there about rabbit fever in the summer. This is early June. A couple of things to cover. Number one, you're allowed to harvest or kill animals on your property that are fur-bearing species to you. So for example, squirrels and rabbits, if they're eating the food in your garden, you are permitted to control them on your land. So you also have to check out the cook that we're going to do for this. It should be pretty good. This isn't going to be a rabbit cleaning video. I'll probably do one of those in the future. This is more about the pest control in the garden. Wow, that was a good shot.
Right there.
So my buddy heard that there was rabbit and squash and zucchini. He came running. So we got a bit of a guest cook this morning to help us out. Let's go ahead and get this cook done. Fresh nuisance rabbit out of the garden with garden squash and zucchini.
Today we have salt, pepper, onion, butter, garlic, squash and zucchini, and the rabbit.
All right, let's go ahead and work on the rabbit, and we're going to be using my son's. He's actually going to be doing the cooking. He loves the Cajun flavor, so it'll be Cajun spice and olive oil for a quick fry and brown on that rabbit.
Transfer these over into the chicken stock so we can let them simmer for around an hour. Look at that.
You want to throw any carrots or peas or anything into that simmer?
Oh, yeah. What about those peas that we got out of the garden?
Those will work. Get some of that off the bottom.
And toss it all around the block.
No, we'll let that simmer for about an hour or so. So there it is, rabbit for dinner. Taken from the garden, we're protecting our vegetables, and again, waste not, want not. So YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits, and this video is my latest upload. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.